Do you like plants or Lego? Come discover LeGrow with us. LeGrow is a small, versatile tabletop planter to fit your everyday needs. It comes with cool accessories like a humidifier, grow light, and even a self-powered digital clock. The humidifier helps keep your plant leaves nice and moist, which promotes healthy and happy plants. While the grow lights, which can be attached to the pot, ensures the plants get enough light no matter where the pots are placed. The clock is also an energy-saving alternative, as it runs from energy generated in a chemical reaction between metal electrodes in the soil. These small cuboid pots can be stacked with each other, like Lego, to form your dream pot shapes to fit any space. When matched with accessories, these self-sustainable setups which requires minimal power and care will add an interesting feature to any home. So what are you waiting for? Come build your own plant Lego with LeGrow.